Cross that bind you. Every soul will crucify.